These are the crankshaft frames, and I will show you how to take out the lenses and reinstall them. So to take out the lens, you want to take the top and bottom parts of the frame, pull out, and push the lens down with your thumbs. So again, pull with the frames and push on the lens. Now, to reinstall the lenses, take one and you put this side of it into the grooves that are located this side of the frame. When you do it, you just slide it in gently, and this part of the lens and this part should also be in their grooves. And you just push and you should hear a click. So this part goes into the grooves on this part. And then you just push and push.